Have you ever felt like your worst enemy is you? Like no matter how hard you try, there's a voice inside you whispering, "You're not good enough. You're failing. You'll never be enough." You're not alone. Every single day, millions of people wake up and go to war, not with the world, but with themselves. Part 1. The Invisible War. There's a battle that no one sees. No blood, no bruises, no scars you can touch. But inside, it's chaos. We doubt ourselves. We criticize every mistake. We compare our lowest moments to someone else's highlight reel. Social media tells us we're behind. Culture tells us we should be further ahead. And our own mind? It plays that loop of everything we've ever done wrong. But here's the truth. You can't hate yourself into becoming someone you love. Part 2. Where the fight started. Somewhere along the line, you started believing you weren't enough. Maybe it was the way you were raised. Maybe it was that one failure that made you afraid to try again. Maybe it was words spoken to you in anger that got planted like seeds. And those seeds grew into self-doubt, into fear, into shame. And now you're stuck fighting battles that don't even belong to you. Part 3. Why you must stop fighting yourself is the fastest way to stay stuck. You'll never move forward if you keep cutting yourself down every time you try. You'll never grow if you punish yourself for every imperfection. You weren't meant to live like this. There's a version of you waiting on the other side of this war. Stronger, wiser, braver, but you'll never meet them if you don't put the sword down. Part 4. Start healing. So how do you stop fighting yourself? You start by listening. Really listening to the thoughts that come up, the feelings you ignore. Don't fight them. Understand them. Ask, where did this come from? Whose voice is this? Is this truth or just trauma? Healing doesn't come from resistance. It comes from acceptance, not of your limits, but of your humanity. You start showing yourself grace. You start celebrating small wins. You stop waiting for perfection and you start honoring progress. Part 5. The real you. The real you isn't weak. The real you isn't broken. The real you is buried under layers of fear, judgment, and pain. And your job is to uncover that person, to fight for yourself, not against yourself. This world doesn't need another perfect person. It needs you, the real, raw, beautiful, honest you. You've spent enough time in battle. Now it's time to heal, to grow, to breathe, to finally live. Stop fighting yourself. Start loving yourself. That's where your power begins. You are enough. You are becoming. Keep going.